packing the mail is done. It's like I smell the one. Just on the deal, man. Yeah. Hey, what's good on YouTube? It's your boy DM 4 times, man. And we got another video today, and this one finna be a banger. Anyways, I'm back. I don't know if y'all want me to do this standing up, sitting down. So I'm gonna do 2 on standing up, 2 on sitting down. Let's get it. So the first shoe we got. Man, these things exclusive, man. If y'all know what these is by the box, y'all gonna know. But first we got the patent leather ones, man. Can't go wrong with these. So if you looking for some fresh shoes, you gotta go with these. No doubt. Check them out. Let me get in the camera with them. Show y'all. Little 360. That patent leather too hard on that. I think that's patent leather. I don't know. Look at me, so. And they come with another pair, lace. All that. Yeah, I rate these a 10 though, for sure. Like, you can't go wrong with these at all. No cap. First pair of kicks we showing in this video is the Dunks, like 1640. Y'all know what it is, man. Hey, these kind of nice though. Like, check out the hand, check out the tag. Oh, lot 49.50. I'm tripping. Then they got the nice ones. So I get these though, like no cap. These 5. Box. Come with an off-white paper. And the other shoe, kicks. Nike Dunk Low. Oh wait. Y'all probably familiar with these. Check out the paper. Speaking of these, is nice. Yeah, so these 5 too though. Got the tongue, got Nike on the tongue with the laces. I like how they go through that shit, 2.5. You got Nike Dunks with the Oregon on the side.